Hey homeowners! Is your home feeling a bit too hot for comfort? It might be time for a new AC. Here are 7 warning signs your AC system could be failing. First up, check those energy bills. If they're creeping up each summer, your AC might be losing efficiency. Older units work harder, and that hits your wallet. Next, do you have hot and cold spots in your home? Uneven cooling can mean poor airflow or outdated ductwork. An upgraded system with zoning can fix this. Now let's talk age. Is your system over 10 years old? AC units typically last 10 to 15 years. Newer models are more efficient and quieter, running non-stop or cycling too often. These are red flags. Your AC shouldn't need to run all the time or keep turning on and off. Both issues signal it's struggling. Are you making frequent repair calls? Repairs can add up fast. Sometimes replacing the system is more cost-effective than constant fixes. Is it getting loud? Modern ACs are designed to be quiet. Strange noises like grinding or banging indicate possible component failures. Finally, consider the air quality. If your home feels sticky or you notice more dust, your AC might not be circulating air effectively. A new system can significantly improve comfort and air quality. So if your AC is showing any of these signs, it might be time to explore new options. A modern, energy-efficient system can make a big difference not just in how cool your home feels but in your overall comfort. Stay cool and see you next time.